Ollie Dalton. Callum Roberts. At Chris Owens. Owens I lawr yr ystlys ydych am y rhediad gan Craig Curran. Ond ta Curran yn ei chael yn ôl I Chris Owens ar rhediad i'r canol. Mae Declan Poole yn taro'r trawst. O, symudiad hyfryd gan y tîm cartra, y croesiad gan Chris Owens. A mi amserodd Declan Poole i'r rhediad i'r dim. Bras. Curran. Curran Bale yn disgyn Aaron Edwards fyna le gan Chris Owens. Owens ar ergyd! A mae Cei Connah wedi curo ar y drws. Maen nhw'n heiddi honna. Da ni wedi chwarae hanner awr union o'r gêm. Gwaith da gan Aaron Edwards. Gosod y bel ar blat I Chris Owens. Dalton. Miles Davies, do Miles Davies ddim yn cam sefyll. Mae wedi cael ei lorio gan Priestley Ferguson. Rwan ta, pa liw fydd lliw y cerdyn. Mae melyn dwi'n credu I gapten Cei Connah. Os ydych chi'n gallu dadla, mae fo oedd yr amddiffynwr ola. Mae Harling. At Owen ceisio creu lle I gael ei groesiad I fewn. Efallai mae Harling yna. Sgwar hyfryd at Nathan Wood. Miles Davies. Davies ar ergyd! O, doedd hwnna ddim yn bell o gwbl gan Miles Davies. Oedd yn bell y fanna o union i'r sgôr yma yn Stadiwm Glanadyfrdwy. Miles Davies mor agos. 12 munud o'r gêm yn weddill. Summer yn dŵl ar Cei Connah o'r peniad yn erbyn y trawst. A James Owen ddoth mor agos at ddyblu mantais Cei Connah. Owen at Wood yn ôl. Owen yn creu lle I gael ei groesiad I fewn o'r peniad ar y postyn gosa. Mor agos. Ac Billy Borge oedd yna I wiro'r peniad fymryn dros y trawst. Chris, first defeat of the season, but did he deserve anything from that match?
I thought first half it was very difficult. The first 20 minutes was just relentless pressure. I know they got a few players out, but they didn't change anything. And you know, we were hanging in there first 20 minutes certainly. They seemed to get a grips with it a little bit, and then the goal was just, you know, it was just poor from us. We switched off for a second and let the ball bounce, and you can't do that. You can't come to Connah's key and let first balls bounce. So that was really frustrating. Second half, we were the better team. Don't get me wrong, did we trouble them as much as I would have liked? No, we had 3 or 4 probably close calls. Free header, which we should have scored, the one scramble at the back post, and there were some opportunities there. They always cause you problems on set pieces, but second half, you know, we were clearly the better side. And I know they'll talk about the COVID issue, and you know, they played Thursday, but we've had 2 friendlies. You know, we're up against a full-time team who put out a first 11, and I thought, you know, we did ourselves proud second half. First half, it was almost as if it was a shock to us, which it shouldn't have been, because the warning signs are, you know what you're going to get. They're a good side, very physical, and it's difficult coming here.